How to use app cloning or dual apps on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to use dual apps or clone your apps on an Android device. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. So most of the Android device have a built-in dual apps or somewhere you can clone your apps, something like Dual Space or something similar. Now, in my case, I'm using a Samsung device currently, and Samsung has something called Dual Messenger. So you can access that by going over to Advanced Features, and then from here you can scroll down and find Dual Messenger. You can sign into a second account and your favorite social apps. So this one is only for social apps like messaging apps, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram. So let's say if I want to create a dual app for Telegram, I can just go ahead and toggle this on Telegram, and then it will bring you this pop-up. You'll be able to sign into another Telegram account in the second copy of the app. Now tap on install, and it will start installing Telegram for you. So if I go over here, you can find that Telegram over here. So I can bring it over to my home screen. So as you can see here, I've already been using WhatsApp as my dual app. So I'm doing the same thing for Telegram. It has this little blue icon at the bottom right of the app icons, which indicates that it's a cloned app or dual app. Now, if you want to clone other apps, you can find different app cloners on your Google Play Store. You can go over to Play Store and then tap on the search bar. Simply search for dual app, hit enter, and you can find parallel space, dual space, and more. So you can look through the rating and downloads, and you can use this as your dual space. So I can go ahead and tap on this parallel space app cloning, and then I can just tap on install. Once the app is installed, you need to open it up. So let's just wait for a bit. Go ahead and tap on open, and it will open the second space for you. Tap on agree, tap on continue, allow access to all of these permissions, and once that is done, it will build a parallel space for you. Tap on start, and then you can clone any apps that you have on your device. You can just go ahead and search for apps, and then you can just tap on add to parallel space. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.